In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do the star plank exercise. If you're somebody that's been doing traditional planks and you've started to find that the traditional planks are becoming easy, this is a fantastic exercise that's a little bit more advanced than your traditional plank. There's a lot of differences in this. There's a lot more shoulders, biceps and triceps involved to hold a static position that we're going to be in, as well as more demand on the core the further we go away from the body. So I'm going to show you a couple of variations, one of which is going to be the beginner, and of course how we can make the beginner version harder over time. So firstly, what I want you to do is I want you to come into a position where your arms are extended. So I've got my elbows completely straight. I bring my feet into a wide position. Watch what happens to my tiptoes. I'm going to shift my weight forwards. And in this position, I'm going to bring my hands diagonally away from my body. So this would be the beginner version of a star plank. And of course, the further I bring my hands out away from the body, the harder the star plank is going to be. So if you're trying to hold a variation of a star plank and you can't quite feel your core involved, that would be an indication that you've not come wide enough in the exercise. Some people can do this all the way to pretty much a super wide position, and other people just have to start off and build up over time. Play about with it, see what you think, and of course you are holding this exercise for your desired amount of seconds and doing it for your desired amount of sets. That's how to do the star plank, how to get into position, and how to make it harder.